Hello, Chris Green here with the Flood Insurance Guru. Today we're up in the mountains and we're talking about flood insurance in the mountains. But one big thing that we've been getting here in 2021, even 2020, is that the big rush for refinances. One of the questions we want to answer today is, will refinancing save me on flood insurance costs? Or could refinancing change my flood zone? Is another one that we see that's very common. So today we're going to answer those two questions for you. First of all, let's talk about flood zones. We hear from people all the time says, hey, I went to refinance, found out I was in a special flood hazard area, but right now I'm not. What would cause that to happen? Well, one big thing that could cause that to happen is maybe you don't have a mortgage now and doing a refinance, you're maybe doing a cash out and you're taking out a loan. Remember, if you're in a special flood hazard area and you have a mortgage, then flood insurance is required. Or maybe you're in a low risk zone now, and when you go to refinance, they're telling you you're in a high risk. Maybe your flood zone just recently changed. That's something else that could have happened. So what about costs? Could refinancing on your property save you on flood insurance costs? It absolutely could. One reason is maybe you have an FHA loan now through the National Flood Insurance Program. So the only option, of course, for you currently is to have your flood insurance through FEMA or the National Flood Insurance Program. Hopefully this will be changing soon, but you're looking at refinancing maybe to something like a conventional loan where you could take advantage of private flood insurance. It could be that private flood insurance might be 30, 40, 50% less for you. So it's important to understand this because refinancing could definitely save you on flood insurance cost. May not save you on your mortgage much if you get a higher rate, you have to pay a lot of closing costs, things like that. So it's important to check with a licensed mortgage professional on that stuff. But when it comes to the flood side, we've seen it where it saves people $2, $3, $4, even $5,000 a year on flood insurance because of the type of policy they currently have set up, especially on commercial risk. If you're looking at trying to lower flood insurance costs on your commercial property, this could be a great avenue for you. So that's what we wanted to talk about today. So remember, if you've got questions about flood insurance, flood education, or flood zone changes, or what your options are, click below to visit our website, floodinsuranceguru.com. Remember, we have an educational background on flood mitigation, which means we're here to help you understand flood risks like this right here, your flood insurance, and mitigating your property long term. Thank you.